today's video is going to be a little bit different. This video is actually going to be going in probably 3 different places. So if you are a gems, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a very long time since I've seen my beautiful gemstones. And if you are a Raw Gang member, what is up? Okay, and if you guys don't know the difference, I will explain to you guys really quick. So my Raw Gangs are my planner family, and then my gems are my beauty family. Gems for short, aka gemstones, that's what we call them over there. Okay, and yeah, so we're merging you guys together. But yeah, this video will be going on my beauty channel slash like lifestyle channel. It's some changes coming there, and then this will be going on my planner IG. So if you guys are over here on Queen Fancy Plans IG, then welcome you guys. So let's go ahead and get into this video. As you guys can see, I have a Coral Nintendo Switch Lite, which I am so freaking excited about. Okay, so I was on the bandwagon of a Switch for a really long time of like, should I get it, should I not get it, do I need it? And finally I was just like, I'm gonna get the Switch, but I'm gonna get the one I want. And I happened to see this Coral one, and I was like, I have to have the Coral one. If I do not find the Coral one in a certain time frame, then I'll go and buy the turquoise one. Well, they were sold out everywhere. Okay, quarantine has just made everybody be like, we're about to be the Switch gang. Okay, and I was kind of sad because I wanted to be part of the Switch gang too, because I didn't have one. So you guys, after months of looking for the Switch, I want to say 2 weekends ago, I noticed that they were starting to be in stock again, and I saw the turquoise one, and I had a chance to get it, and I was just like, you know what, I love how beautiful the turquoise one is, but I still want to hold out for the coral one. It is August and my birthday's in October, so I wanted it for my birthday gift. Okay, so technically this is an early birthday gift. So what I decided was I was gonna hold out for the coral one. I was hoping that I would find it around my birthday time, no big deal. Well, I just so happened to go to Walmart the other day, a Walmart I was not planning to go to, and they had the Coral Switch Lite. And you guys, I'm so freaking excited. So if you are following my Queen Fancy Plans Instagram, you guys know that I posted in my stories and I asked you guys if did I need a Switch, and did I need Animal Crossing. Well, I didn't need Animal Crossing, but I definitely needed a Switch, okay, because I didn't buy Animal Crossing. I did get another game, which I will share with you guys later in this video, but for now we are going to go ahead and unbox this beautiful Switch while I'm doing all this talking. So I'm super excited because I've seen the Switches in the store, I've seen other people unbox their Switches, and now I get to unbox mine. So let me open it up. Okay, so here it looks like you have information of like how to get started with your Switch, and you can just pop these 2 little pieces back, pull this out, and here is your Switch. I just thought this would be a fun video to do because I never really unbox like games and stuff like that, and I am definitely a girl gamer. I play on PS4, I play on Xbox, like I am game fanatic. Okay, I still have my original Nintendo that my mom got me in 1990. I was 5 years old, and I still cannot believe that I still have it, and it's in good condition and it still works. So this Switch is just everything. I knew I had to have this coral. The pink was just calling my name. Oh, what can I say? So let's open this baby up. Now, I have played on the Switch before. My friend and her boyfriend has a Switch, and we've been to their house and had like game night, and we've played on the Switch, but they have the one that goes to the TV, and my babe was like, get the one that goes to the TV, and I was kind of like, no, I don't really want the one that goes to the TV. I just want something personal, because he doesn't really play games and he wouldn't really care, but he was thinking it was a bigger screen and that I would just have more fun. But y'all, I'm gonna have fun with this. So on the first top of this box, I noticed that you have your Switch, and then let's see, I think, sorry about all the noise, if I can pop this open. Alright, you have some information. I never read this crap, so we're gonna move that to the side. Okay, and then you have a charger. This charger looks to be a type C cable, so it's just nothing super, you know, entertaining. I think it's just like a basic charger. It is a type C cable, which makes me wonder, if you left this Nintendo charger at home, could you use a regular type C charger to charge this Nintendo Switch? Questions. Okay, so now we're gonna move this to the side and we're gonna go ahead and get into this beautiful Switch. Oh my gosh, it is super lightweight. Oh, it is beautiful. It is so freaking pretty. I'm in love. Now, the coral is not as bright as I thought it was going to be. Like, I thought it was going to be more on the pink side, but it's still beautiful nonetheless. I'm almost thinking, should I have got the turquoise, but I'm still juiced that I got the Switch. So let me cut it out. It's still freaking beautiful. I love that it's lightweight. The buttons seem very easy to use, like even with nails on, and you guys know I always wear super long nails, so I end up playing the game kind of like this most of the time, or I can kind of just press the buttons, but it's still super easy. It's really cute. I love it. I definitely know I need a case on it because I can feel the back of this Switch, and I feel like a case would help me grip it easier, and I definitely don't want to drop it. I am going to customize my Switch up, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, it is super cute. Okay, I'm in love. So this is just absolutely freaking gorgeous. Like, there's the headphone jack, there's where you put your game card, the on switch, the volume, and then here at the bottom is where you would charge it. And this is where you can put, like right here at the bottom, you can put a memory card in it. So yeah, this is just, oh, I love it, y'all. I love it. I'm super excited. I can't wait to play it. So I'm going to show you guys the game that I picked up. So they didn't have the game that I wanted, so I ended up picking up Rayman Legends. I remember playing this game back in the day, and it was so fun. And I want to say that I had it on, I want to say it was Nintendo 64, but I cannot remember which one I had this game on. But I remember playing it, and it was super fun to play. And so when I saw it in the store, I couldn't necessarily remember playing it top of my head. So I Googled it, and a YouTube video popped up of this game, and I was like, oh my god, I remember playing this game. I had so much fun. So I decided to get this Rayman Legends. The game that I really wanted was the Super Mario Deluxe, but they didn't have that game in stock at Walmart that I was at yesterday when I picked up the game. So I decided to just pick up Rayman Legends, and I would just get the other game later. Now, I know a lot of you guys probably think that I still need Animal Crossing. I am still not sure if I should be playing that, if I would like it, if I would enjoy it. But all of you guys say that Animal Crossing is bomb, so I don't know. It is on the list to kind of check out and see if it's something that I would be into. And yeah, we can definitely be friends. I already have my first friend already, my girl Cassie. So I'm super excited about that we can be friends and like play and chat and talk to each other using our Switch. And yeah, I am truly a real girl gamer, so I'm really into like Tomb Raider and Uncharted and The Last of Us, and I play a lot of those types of games on the PS4. And I'm really into like Mario, so this is one of the reasons why I really wanted the Switch. I still have my Nintendo DS, and I played Mario on there all the time, so I'm just really excited to have this little Switch. Like, it's just so cute, and yeah, I can't wait to use it. So that has been my little unboxing of my Switch and the game that I picked up. I am so in love, and I can't wait to play. And if you guys have any suggestions for games other than Animal Crossing or Mario, definitely let me know down in the comments. I would love to know what you guys are playing, what you're loving on your Switch, and let me know what Switch you have. Actually, I would like to know if you have the coral one, do you have the turquoise one, do you have the yellow one, do you have the gray one? Like, tell me which ones you have. What have you done to decorate your Switch? Have you know, put some charms on it? What have you done? I would love to know. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Thank you for joining me, my beautiful Royal gang and my awesome gems, like my beautiful babies over there. I love my gems so much. You guys are awesome. And if you're following me in both platforms, thank you so much. But if you are not, I think you need to go and follow me. So make sure you're following me at Queen's Fancy Plans, and you're also following me at QueenGemBeauty. QueenGemBeauty is my beauty channel, and Queen Fancy Plans is my planner page. And also, you guys, I also have a podcast, so make sure you check out the podcast as well, which is Fancy Plans and Things Radio. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are, whenever you're watching this video, and I will see you babies later. Bye. Mwah.